is not to be tolerated.
एंटी नॅशनल अशें बीन तेजेर लागपाक जाय अशें दिसता तुका?
That is disputable. You have to give somebody a first chance. You cannot directly accuse somebody like that. But what he has done, he has to be penalized for it so that the next fellow doesn't do it. See, law and order म्हणटी सारकें हें जावपा जाय आनी एश करून स्टार्ट जाता. इजी गिवअप जायना. I was watching the police also. ते सगळे आख्खो व्हिडिओ चोयलाय. Something needs to be set right there.
So what type of action should the government should take? Police have to take care of it. किती दिवसात तुका?
I have always been in the assembly shouting at the back of any incident that police have to correct the image. It is not the politician. It is the police. The onus of responsibility lies on the police. If the police act, even politicians will not be able to say no. And vice versa. So, police has to do their job. They have to save their image first. If at all law and order is anything, if there is an issue today, is police are entirely responsible. That's their job. You cannot say that no, I have told this, he has told that has to told that. Law and order enforcement agency has to do their job. The IGP is wholly and solely, or the DGP is wholly and solely responsible. With every IO, wholly and solely responsible. That's it.
So how you see the law and order situation in Goa?
See, law and order situation, but it's a recurring process. You cannot see, such type of incidents are bound to happen. But if one incident, the police takes action and does the right thing, it will not repeat. These actions are repeated because एक हें जालो हांव कितें गेलें आमी सुट्टाय म्हणून तें जावपाक तें एटिट्यूड ताका लागून म्हणलें police are responsible. Tomorrow if something happens, politician will not be blamed, police will be blamed. So they should not forget it. And they should act. Even on this Naveli incident, I have written to the police, I have written to the IGP. Time and again on all issues, we have been writing in sarke real hard language that the police should act. And police should say the onus of responsibility to police. And police, in order not to get their image destroyed, should see that proper action is taken.
पण पोलिसांची इमेज म्हणटा ती कमी जाता कारण त्या दिसा रोहन खंवटेने आरोप केला की IPS ऑफिसर इलिगली इव्हेंट केलो म्हणून.
And not a minute.